Hello everyone, my name is Megan Race and I want to ask you guys, how many of you guys play violent video games? It is argued that violent video games have negative and positive effects on children that play them. Let's talk about how violent video games affect children. Like many of you, I have played violent video games when I was younger, and I have siblings that play violent video games today. I chose to research this topic to find out whether violent video games are good or bad for you to play and to inform others on the topic. Today I will be discussing the negative and positive effects of playing violent video games. Children that play violent video games will express violent behaviors towards their parents, other adults, and their peers. According to a study published in the Journal of Experimental Social Psychology in 2011, founded a causal link between violent video games exposure to an increase in aggression as a result of a reduction in the brain's response and depiction of real-life violence. Children will act out and express violent behaviors towards others because they do not know consequences outside of the video games. Now that we have discussed the negative effect of violent video games, let's look at the positive outcome. Video games can be a way for a child to let out their anger or frustration virtually. The article Violent Video Games and Real-World Violence, Rhetoric versus Data, printed in the Journal of Psychology of Popular Media Culture, says that researchers point to the cathartic effect of video games as a possible reason for why higher game sales have been associated with lower crime rates. Catharsis is the process of venting aggression and getting rid of emotions. Instead of children running around the community causing trouble, they will do it virtually without causing harm and getting their adrenaline out of their systems. Violent video games are a crucial topic when you have young children playing them. Now that we have discussed the negatives and positives, I hope you have a better understanding of this topic. Today we looked at whether video games help with violence or whether it causes it. Remember that outside of video games, the world has real consequences, and you cannot get away from them like you can in video games. Thank you for your time spent with me today. Have a nice day.